We're back here again. Asagro news. Asagro talking about stock market and everything that is up, and down. And so right now we're at SPY at the market here. We're up because of the vaccine. We're up for half a point, 0.5%, and so it's looking up. And Aurora up today went up to 10.5. Then just down like 1/4 of a point, and EPA we're at 1.15. So today we're going to talk about a little about FedEx because FedEx will come out already with its earnings. Um, Currently, FedEx is looking at its revenue overall over the past 4 quarters has been increasing, and it hasn't have a decline since when we started with the epidemic with the e-commerce has really picked up. So revenue has increased, and also as we see moving forward, and December 17, we are going to have their earnings coming out. So ICE is what today is December 8th, so it's gonna be like 11 days. So ICE and stock has already touched 300 today because B of A and then other Wall Street firms have already upgraded their pricing to 342. There's around 300 to 350. So I expect a little bit more higher because everything with the e-commerce is so strong since COVID. In California has really like the government says it's shut down, but still a lot of people are not going out because a lot of stores are taking their precautions, are going in one per time, like Best Buy and a lot of other retailers. So they keep their customers safe and employees safe. So everybody's taking their restrictions as their how they please. So it does slow down buying for customers. So they'd rather do e-commerce. For example, a couple of weeks ago, Target actually came out with news and it crushed estimates because of the e-commerce. It basically almost box retailer to almost 500% for the pickup service, and delivery service to ship to their own e-commerce is 280%, meaning that the consumers are driving more into pickup and online and e-commerce. So it's very heavy on those two segments. So I'm gonna expect nothing less of FedEx. It's gonna be a strong quarter, high revenue, and good EPS and PE rate. So everything is going to be lined up to be a great quarter, and that's why a lot of firms already since now are increasing their price ranges, even 20%, and 30% from what it was prior. So I don't see expect less. So I do own FedEx. I make videos before, and right now I'm still going into this quarter very strong and very positive into it. So I think that at the end of the day we see this going moving forward very positive. Amazon too. So anything related to that segment. So that's something that I do own. But moving forward after the pandemic, after we ease out, I do think that we are very at a high point with FedEx and very a high price point. So I do see some pullback down in the future, like 6 months from now, even a year. So right now I'm very short term with it, but right now, talking about right now, going into the quarter in the 17th December 2020, it's gonna be great. Moving forward, like into next quarter, I still see a little shaky, so that's why I might take some off the table. But right now, FedEx is a buy. And if you do have any questions about FedEx or anything else, let me know and just give me a shout out. Thanks.